Guys, good morning. It is Saturday today. It's not particularly sunny yet, but anyways, waking up a little bit later on today. It's just about 8:30. I'm gonna watch a mountain biking festival type deal in France today. Les Deux Alpes, I think it's called, in France. And they're doing a mountain bike competition where they have to do tricks and stuff. So I'm gonna watch these guys do a bunch of tricks, but you know, it's starting right now. It goes for 2.5 hours, I think. So they're just doing basically like first round qualifying right now. So I'm gonna go get breakfast, because that sounds like a way better idea. There's the neighbor's dog right there. He's a pretty nice dog too. And then these are the benches that I built for around the fire. I'm gonna put backrest to them too, but yeah, so that's that. Today, feeling pretty good. Never went for a run, but hey, come on, life is short. This is why I like breakfast here. I already ate that other piece of bacon. I am back from breakfast. I'm just watching the kitty cats play out the window and making a coffee. I'm gonna go watch my mountain bike competition. I'm gonna go check out this other river. That's the boat over there. Looking good, boat. Pretty cool cross. The river's just right over there too. Well guys, I'm here and supposedly there's a creek here somewhere. I'm making my own trailer right now, so I hope I don't fall because nobody's gonna find me. Oh boy. I'm gonna get myself into. Fail. But there's butterflies. So it was named Spring Creek for a reason, apparently. So there's that. And supposedly there is a big river leading into two small rivers up here. So I'm gonna hope that I find that and a good little play spot. Well, I found it. Yeah, same story as the other rivers. Bit too dry to actually run it. Good. 3 rivers today I checked. Probably like an hour round trip and nothing. Except for the one that I ran last night, and that was super fun, so I guess I'm just gonna do that instead. Well, found the beginning of the creek that I was on the other day. There's the plane. Just so happened to come down right here, and there's an overly tall pole, and there's this on it. ... That is the river that I was paddling the other day. It's pretty sweet. I'm going to have to come back. There's another fence up there too. I don't know. It just has a bunch of rapid sections in it like that. So you're going fast enough, yet it's really good place to learn. Even if you roll over, it's not that deep. I'm not going to drown. I got a life jacket and a helmet on, so. But that's it. I'm hitting rocks when I'm going through too, so it's good practice for that too, I guess. I'm just following the bubbles. That's treating me pretty well so far. But you can see the bubbles down there going to those rocks. Look at this guy's house. Isn't that wild? And then it figures the next door neighbor has a guard horse. Hey guys, I'm just trying to put a GoPro mount onto the top of my helmet for kayaking tonight. Every time I seem to put a mount on it, it'll fall off. So I'm gonna try putting hot water on it and seeing if that will do the trick. I'll let you know how it goes. Okay guys, I think I got it. Press down on it, let's see. The multiple sports challenge. Dun dun dun! I got all loaded up about 5 minutes from the house. There's a noise, I thought it was just a rock stuck or something, so I just tried to speed it out. Lo and behold, I decided to actually pull over and take a look. And that is my drive shaft that is cracked back there apparently. So now I get to learn how to fix that and go the fuck home apparently. Oh, obviously I could take it out, just go front wheel drive for now, so that's the plan. So I guess I'm not doing this afternoon. Life. Too hard on shit, Brian. I don't know. I'm just using it. It's not my fault it doesn't survive. So yeah, I get to fix that now. And of course it's Saturday, so fucking Honda's not open. Which makes me feel just peachy. Right on. Alright, we'll see you in a bit. The truck was making this sound, so yeah. Destroyed this thing on the other side. And this is the back side. And that's what it looks like now. See, I fucked that all up. However I did that, I'm not really sure. But she's toast now. That's too funny. that didn't work. Hey. I like being on the water. It's nice out here. There's a little creek there. Cool. I'm gonna crash into that in a second here. We'll see what the result is. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Oh, not too bad. More trees down there. Yeah, sure did. Okay. Woo! Earlier I was like, oh, wouldn't it be sweet if it rained a little bit so that the river would be fuller. I just got back from kayaking, and yeah, now it's raining like a bastard out. So let's hope that keeps up for a little while. Whew.